Palladium against US dollar. This week has jumping around. We can see the week has started with this bullish candle, where it was mentioned in the previous week analysis. After the price formed this bullish candle right in between this resistance and this support level, the price continued to rise in value and reach this area of resistance. Then on a Tuesday, the price formed a bullish breakout, which was invalidated with the next candle on Wednesday. The price has gone all the way back down. Then the price formed this bullish candle, just confirmed this bearish breakout as a valid one, where this candle did not go above this 1089.88 resistance level, but it has bouncing back down. Friday has confirmed that this bearish breakout is a valid one also, where the price has formed this bearish candle, suggesting further decline down in value. Weekly time frame shows us currently a resistance level at 1089.88 formed a bearish pin bar, suggesting further decline down in value. We have a monthly time frame. Currently we have a monthly time frame which is forming this bullish candle, but remember that we have one more week, so we have a daily, we have a weekly time frame showing us that the price will continue to fall down in value. So the next week, which is the last week in this month, will form some kind of a bearish momentum probably, and this bullish candle, as it looks right now, will probably end like this with a smaller bullish candle. This is something that we will wait until this month closes, but everything is pointing that we could see similar candles like this with a larger wick on the upper side, or for example like this one here, touching this resistance and then bouncing back down. But weekly time frame shows me that there is a bearish momentum here, suggesting further decline down in value, especially the daily time frame, where I'm expecting next week that the price will reach 1024.21 next week with the daily candles here. Will the price manage to make a bearish breakout below this one? This is something that we need to wait until the price makes this bearish breakout. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.